Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to log out from WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. One thing that you must do is you need to backup. On Android device, tap on three lines at the top left corner, then proceed to settings. On iPhone iOS devices, tap on settings at the bottom right corner. From now any steps as for Android as for iPhone iOS device are the same. You should tap on chats, then tap on chat backup, and then tap on backup now. Next step, what we need to do is simply delete your WhatsApp app. Press and hold on WhatsApp app and tap on remove app, then tap on delete app, and last confirm it, just tap on delete. So on Android and on iOS device we should again install WhatsApp app. Go to your App Store or Google Play Market, in search bar to write WhatsApp. Then install of course WhatsApp app. So next step, tap on WhatsApp and then you agree and continue and log into your another account. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.